How to change username or account name in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can change account name in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in your Windows 11, head towards the search icon, and in the search bar you have to type in control panel and click on it to open it. So once you see the control panel, from the items here, you have to search for user accounts and then click on it. After that, you will find your account name. Now to change your account name, head towards your left hand side. There you have various links. Here you have to click on change your account name. Now here you can type in your new account name. After that, click on change name, and with that your account name will be changed and this name will appear on the welcome screen and on the start screen. So that's the way to change account name in Windows 11, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.